This question from 2025 year is a very important question. You should understand the concept very well to answer this question. You are asked to determine the liquid junction potential, and you are given with a concentration cell in which you can see here the pressure is same on both sides, whereas the electrolyte concentration is different. And you are asked to determine the liquid junction potential, E liquid junction potential. Normally we denote it as ELJP. And under the condition, it is said that A plus of HCl here is greater than that of A plus minus of HCl1. Now you see it is given in the activity terms, not in the concentration terms, in the activity terms. So in the activity terms, if you determine the equation for liquid junction potential is ELJP is equal to T plus minus T minus. See, this is a concentration cell with transference. So for a concentration cell with transference, the equation is T plus minus T minus multiplied by RT by F, and here the value is log of A2 by A1. Now for this equation we are asked to determine at what transport number you will be having a negative value here. So to have a negative value here, we know log A2 by A1. A2 by A1 means that is A of plus minus of HCl at 2 divided by mean ionic activity of HCl at 1. So this is actually the cathode part and this is actually the anode part. So for this value, for log of this value will be actually greater than 1. Why? Since this is higher value, any value which is having more than 1, log of above 1 will be having a positive value. It will be greater than 1. So if this is greater than 1, log of this value will be a positive value. So if this side is positive, sure, to become a negative value, this should be negative. Meaning to say, your T plus minus T minus should be negative. For T plus minus T minus to be negative, T plus, you know, this is going to be a negative sign here. So always T plus should be less than T minus. In that case only this term will be negative. If this is this part is negative and this is always positive, then only the ELJP will be negative. So your option will be T plus less than T minus. So this is your right option. Remember students, you have to always remember the liquid junction potential as this value whenever you are using the activity. Whenever you are using the concentration, this equation is a bit different. So for if you are using the activity, ELJP should be equal to T plus minus T minus. Please make a note on that. Thank you.